Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Clash of Clans on Windows 11. First, make sure your computer meets the specific requirements, like having at least 8 GB of RAM. You will also need to enable virtualization technology within your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. This is a crucial initial step for the entire process to work smoothly. Always keep your Windows 11 installation updated to prevent any compatibility issues later on. Next, we need to enable the Windows subsystem for Android, or WSA. Go to your Start menu, then search for an Open Turn Windows features on or off. Inside this window, you will find several options. Make sure to check both Windows subsystem for Android and virtual machine platform. Once selected, click OK and restart your computer to apply these critical system changes. This provides the environment needed for Android apps to run. With WSA enabled, it is time to install the Amazon App Store. Open the Microsoft Store directly from your taskbar or by searching for it. In the search bar at the top, type Amazon App Store and then click the Install button you see. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the setup process. You will need to sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you do not already have one. Now that the Amazon App Store is ready, you can easily download Clash of Clans. Launch the Amazon App Store from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once it loads, use the search bar at the top to type in Clash of Clans. You should see the game appear in the search results. Click on it, then simply hit the Get or Install button to begin the download and installation process. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.